A Spokane man who abused his daughter to death will spend the rest of his life in prison. Today, Jon Lytle was sentenced to 75 years for the role in the death of Summer Phelps. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey live at Superior Court, where Lytle said he hated himself for what happened to Summer. Jeff?
Well, up until now, Jon Lytle has blamed his wife, Adriana, for the injuries that caused Summer's death. But today, Lytle seemed a little more resigned to the fact that both adults in this case are responsible for what happened to this 4-year-old girl. Yet even with that recognition, that did not spare Lytle an exceptional sentence from the judge.
I never imagined this would ever happen. Never thought a parent could do this to their own flesh and blood, their child.
Today, Summer Phelps' mother said her decision to allow Summer to spend more time with her father inside his Spokane apartment was the worst mistake she's ever made. Elizabeth Phelps told the court there were no warning signs that Jon Lytle was capable of torturing his daughter to death.
She was made to stand for hour after hour after hour, washing urine-soaked clothes in a tub, standing stiff-legged, so it would be more painful for her. And if she didn't do it right, she was dunked underneath the water by both defendants.
Summer Phelps died in the bathtub where those dunkings occurred. Prosecutors asked that Jon Lytle get a 75-year sentence, the same amount of time that Summer Phelps might have lived as an adult.
What happened to 4-year-old, 3'6", 45-pound little Summer Phelps? It just cries out for the harshest sentence possible.
However, Lytle's defense attorney argued given Lytle's remorse, 35 years was more consistent with similar homicide by abuse cases.
He does tell everybody that he is sorry that he was not a better father, that he didn't rescue his daughter from the situation, and that she suffered the way that she did.
But in the end, the judge showed Lytle no mercy, saying Lytle had betrayed his responsibility as a father and deserved to die in prison. The judge's decision today essentially handing Lytle a life sentence. That's because even with time off for good behavior, Lytle won't be eligible for release from prison until he's 95 years old. Lytle's wife, Adriana, will be sentenced here tomorrow. Reporting live at the courthouse, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.